want, you can click the links down below and go ahead and grab it, or you can wait and see what I reveal and then get it. But I'm just going to tell you, this box is going to go pretty fast. So if you want to ensure that you're going to get it, go grab it now, because everything in here you can use, and you can use it to build your stash. Cricut does not pay me to make these videos for you guys, but they are kind enough to send them to me in advance so that I can, as a product expert, I can tell you what's inside, help you find ways to use the products or build your stash, or maybe even try a product that you haven't tried before. So please, if you use my links, only if you use my links will I receive a small commission, and I greatly appreciate that. Want to say thank you for your support and your generosity in supporting me. The group code Craft Happy, in one word, does not work on the mystery boxes because they are already a huge value, and your access subscription discount does apply to it. So you're going to get that access discount automatically. But if you want to add items to your cart, then use the group code. It will apply to any eligible items you put in your cart with that mystery box, as long as your subtotal is $50 or more, which the mystery box is going to make it more than $50. So guys, please, please, please go and grab that, and grab some other supplies while you're there. Okay, this is the Sour Candy Mystery Box. Retails $129.90, on sale for $59.99 before your access discounts. And in that mystery box is your candy apple red cutie. Everybody has been looking for the red cutie. There he is. So go and grab this box now. Next in this mystery box, you are going to get one 12 by 12 light grip blue mat. You are also going to get a Cricut extra large scraper. Guys, I have 2 or 3 of these in my craft room. It is perfect for taking off all of your paper or intricate cut bits from your mat. Love it. You are also going to get a mug press pack, which is 2 4.5 by 12 inch infusible ink sheets in the green watercolor. You can cut this on your Joy. You can cut this on your other machines. You don't have to use it for the mug press. You can use it for cutting smaller projects if you want to do those. Next we have Strong Bond Iron-On Everyday Mesh. This is in the white. It's a 12 by 24. Guys, this is perfect for summer shirts. It stays cool so you're not sweating if you want to put something like that on a tank. Loving that. Next you have an Everyday Iron-On in yellow. This is also a 12 by 24 sheet. Next in this box we have a roll of white glitter Iron-On in a 12 by 19 sheet. Love the glitters. Love, love, love. Also in this mystery box is a 12 by 19 sheet of the green glitter Iron-On. This is a perfect way to build your Iron-On stash, guys. Don't miss this. Next you have, love this color. This is the fluorescent green Iron-On. It's also a 12 by 19 sheet. And last but not least, for all of our vinyl lovers who have vinyl and need transfer tape, this is a 12 by 48 inch roll of the regular grip transfer tape. So we've got you covered with vinyl, with ink, with Iron-On, with tools, with mats, and our favorite Cricut Cutie. So go and grab this mystery box. I will catch you on the next one. Thank you for your generosity and your support. Have a wonderful crafting day. Bye-bye.